Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about a very perfect letter. The letter P. The letter P makes a special sound. Can you say with me? When we say, our lips go together and then pop like this. Great! Now let's learn some words that starts with the letter P. Panda, panda. Parrot, parrot. Popcorn, popcorn. Pizza, pizza. Purple, purple. Great! That's a lot of P words. Let's sing our P rhyme. Ready? If you love the letter P, say. If you love the letter P, say. Panda, parrot, popcorn too. Pizza, purple, all for you. If you love the letter P, say. Great! You learned the P sound. Thanks for watching. If you please like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.